Let's go sunflower picking in Nashville. I'm going to one of my favorite local farms called Daugherty and Sons Farm, and I'm gonna take you with me. So come on, let's go. You can also pick other flowers, but I chose to just pick sunflowers today. So I picked my sunflowers. They are so beautiful. There were a lot of bees out there, but your girl had to get her sunflowers. If you haven't been to this spot yet, definitely check it out. They have a bunch of different kinds of flowers, but I came for the sunflowers because they're just so beautiful. Bye.